Welcome back to everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of our motorcycle reviews, news, and in-depth analyses. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated adventure bikes of 2025, the BMW T500 GS Adventure. This bike is sure to make waves in the adventure touring scene, and I'm excited to give you the full scoop. As always, we'll cover everything from its design and performance features to its specs, and what makes this bike stand out among its competition. So, sit back, grab a snack, and let's get into it.
Oh my God, the BMW T500 GS Adventure is a powerhouse built for serious adventurers.
This latest addition to the GS lineup combines BMW's well-established legacy in the adventure motorcycle world with new innovations and technology. For those of you who are familiar with BMW's GS models, you'll know that these bikes are designed for long-distance travel, rough terrain, and overall reliability. The T500 GS Adventure, however, takes things to the next level in terms of off-road capability, performance, and comfort. BMW has really pushed the envelope with this 2025 model, focusing on making it even more versatile and capable of handling all types of terrain, from highways to mountain trails and even desert sands. This bike is engineered for long-distance adventure, giving riders the confidence to tackle the toughest roads and conditions, all while maintaining exceptional comfort and control. Now let's talk about what powers this machine. At the heart of the T500 GS Adventure is a 500cc parallel twin engine. This is a significant leap from its predecessors in terms of displacement, offering a substantial boost in power. The engine delivers a smooth and responsive 60 horsepower with a peak torque of around 55 Nm. This is a significant improvement, especially considering that the previous models featured lower output, which sometimes left riders craving more on steep hills or during long stretches of highway riding. The T500 GS Adventure's engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that offers precise shifting, ensuring that you have the right gear for every situation, whether you're crawling through technical trails or cruising at highway speeds. The fuel tank is optimized to give you an impressive range thanks to its 22-liter capacity, which means fewer stops for refueling on those extended trips into the wild. One of the standout features of this bike's performance is its new ride-by-wire throttle system, which provides a smooth and predictable throttle response. Whether you're navigating tight corners or powering through open landscapes, the engine feels perfectly in tune with your inputs. And with advanced traction control and an optional quick shifter, the T500 GS Adventure making it easier to shift without sacrificing control or stability. When it comes to an adventure bike, the suspension system is absolutely critical. BMW knows that riders often find themselves on unpredictable terrains, from rocky paths to sandy dunes, and they've engineered the T500 GS Adventure to handle it all. The bike is equipped with an advanced upside-down fork at the front, paired with a fully adjustable rear shock. This gives the rider the ability to fine-tune the suspension for different loads and riding conditions. The front suspension offers 220-meter height and now extends its range from 19 meters to 26 meters, which is quite impressive and ensures that the bike can soak up bumps and uneven surfaces. The rear suspension offers a similarly generous 218 meters of travel, which ensures the bike stays stable even when you hit those large potholes or rough trails. The result is a bike that feels planted and composed, no matter what kind of terrain you're tackling. On top of that, The T500 GS Adventure is built with a longer wheelbase, which contributes to its overall stability. This is particularly beneficial when riding at higher speeds or when you're loaded up with gear. The extended wheelbase makes it easier to maintain control on fast, sweeping corners, while also providing superior comfort for long-haul rides. BMW has designed the T500 GS Adventure with both function and comfort in mind. The overall design stays true to the iconic GS look, with a bold, rugged aesthetic that gives off a sense of adventure and durability. The bike features a tall stance, which gives it a commanding presence on and off the road. The headlamp and fairing have been redesigned to provide better wind protection for long-distance touring. But it's not all about looks. The comfort level has been vastly improved, with a new seat design that's wider and more supportive for those long days in the saddle. BMW has also made adjustments to the ergonomics of the bike, making it more comfortable for a wider range of riders. Whether you're standing on the pegs for an off-road section or sitting for hours on end, the T500 GS Adventure has been crafted to reduce fatigue and maximize comfort. The bike comes with adjustable handlebars, so you can tailor the fit to your preferred riding style. Additionally, the foot pegs are designed with aggressive grip to provide optimal control, even when you're navigating slippery conditions. As expected, the BMW T500 GS Adventure is loaded with high-end technology that enhances both safety and performance. Let's talk about some of the features that make this bike stand out in today's adventure touring market. First up, the bike comes with BMW's latest TFT display. This display offers clear, easy-to-read data and integrates seamlessly with BMW's connected ride system. This system allows you to sync your smartphone with the bike, giving you access to navigation, calls, and music right at your fingertips. The display can even show you real-time tire pressure data, helping you monitor your tire health on long trips. The bike also comes with an advanced cornering ABS system, which adjusts braking power depending on your lean angle. This is an essential feature, especially when you're riding on gravel or other loose surfaces, as it ensures that your braking is smooth and controlled no matter the angle of the bike. For riders who'd like to get off the beaten path, the T500 GS Adventure features a special off-road mode that adjusts the traction control and ABS to give you more freedom to slide the bike through corners or over tricky terrain. There's also an optional dynamic electronic suspension adjustment, ESA, which gives you the ability to adjust the damping characteristics of the suspension on the fly. Whether you're tackling tough off-road trails or cruising on smooth highways, you can tweak the suspension to get the ideal ride quality. One of the key features of an adventure bike is its ability to carry gear, and the T500 GS Adventure does not disappoint. BMW offers a range of luggage options for the bike, from standard side panniers to large top cases, ensuring that you can take everything you need on your long-distance adventures. The panniers are designed to be both lightweight and durable, so they won't weigh you down or compromise the bike's handling, but they also provide ample storage space for all your essentials. The bike is equipped with a large ergonomic passenger seat, which ensures that your riding partner is comfortable during long rides. The added comfort and practicality make this bike perfect for both solo adventures and two-up touring. Now, let's talk about pricing. The BMW T500 GS Adventure isn't going to be the cheapest adventure bike on the market, but it's definitely one of the most well-rounded and capable bikes out there. The base model is expected to start around $15,000, which puts it in the same price range as other premium adventure bikes like the Yamaha Super Tenere or the Honda Africa 10. Of course, There will be different trim levels and options available, including the premium package with added technology and comfort features, which could push the price up closer to $18,000. The bike is set to hit dealerships in early 2025, and you can expect it to be available worldwide. If you're in the market for an adventure bike that combines raw power, cutting-edge technology, and supreme comfort, the T500 GS Adventure might just be the bike you've been waiting for. So there you have it, folks, the 2025 BMW T500 GS Adventure. This bike has everything you need to tackle the world's toughest terrains, from its robust engine and suspension to its sleek design and cutting-edge technology. If you're an adventure enthusiast or simply someone who loves to travel, this is a bike you'll want to keep your eye on. What do you think of the new T500 GS Adventure? Is it on your wish list for 2025, or are you leaning toward another adventure bike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and news about all things motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe.